What is up, guys? Today we are going to Elvin to continue the 86. As you all can see from the previous video, I was doing the interior, the floor of the 86 chassis. We are going to basically finish up on that, on the rear and the front. So yeah, Elvin is not working today, so that's just me. Yeah, let's do the 86. Elvin did some of the wiring, so the remaining part of the 86 has to brush it off with metal brush. Already brushed, already painted. I didn't record the paint process of it, but there you go. All the front areas are painted here. Looks so good. For those of you who are new to the channel, this is my engine. So this is a 7AGE hybrid with 4AGE twin cam head. So original 7A engine is actually a single cam, so you mate it with the twin cam of the 4AGE and it becomes a 7AGE. Okay. Pistons are using CA18 Nissan, which are CA18 turbo engine. I am also supercharging the engine with an SC14. SC14 comes from a 1G GZE and also from Estima engine, which I'm not sure what it is. I think it's a 2AZFE, I'm not sure. So as you can see, my supercharger, the original position of the alternator was actually here. We swap it out. Alternator goes here and the supercharger goes to the alternator side. But then the offset, as you can see, it's not so straight with the water pump pulley. So we gotta offset this a little bit more outside, and then the alternator side will be going a little bit outside as well, because it'll be taking the compressor part, the aircon compressor part of the belting, go over this side, and then this one, the belting goes to the water pump and the crank pulley, all that together. According to Elvin, the engine wire harness is already inside. The igniter originally mounted over here will be mounted over this side to make it a lot cleaner. So overall, the harness all in, so that's how the engine will look like. Insane, super empty, and plus the hose over here to go to the water pipe. Looks insane, dude. Elvin totally nailed this. Look at it. Whoa. Whew. And I know some of the 7AGE boys has problem finding the timing belt for this. So this is a 218T belt, which the model is over here. Yeah. But using this timing belt, it's a little bit wider compared to the Porsche timing belt. For those, the usual one, the common ones, they usually use the Porsche timing belt, but this one is a little bit wider. So that means your crank belting pulley, I think, you have to extend it. So as you can see on the, I'm not sure can see or not, but the crank belting pulley has been extended, added a little bit of metal to make it a little wider, so that it can hold the engine timing belt. So how the harness, the engine wiring is planned to move is basically So all the fuel rail, the fuel injector wiring go through this side, and then the alternator side, the starter side, and then after that it will go through my gearbox tunnel, which is over here. So you can see there's actually a hole inside here. Alvin already made a hole here so that it actually travels through this side so that it won't be seen, compared to the original hole which is over this side, which if you want to do like a wire tuck, it won't actually look neat because you can see the wire actually travel to the side here. From the inside of the firewall, inside of the car, it actually travels through here. Look at that. Then goes connect all to the other wiring stuff at the dashboard. So yeah, looks so cool, so damn cool. I love it. So today's plan is actually finish up more paint, brushing over this side, and I'm not sure if we can finish all those rear side, but the most important one is actually the middle one here. Brush that side and then take out this bar. I'm not sure what they call this bar. I think this bar is called like dashboard bar or something. Take it out, brush it off, make it look new, put it back in, then the dashboard can go in. But look at that interior, I mean the floor, so damn shiny. Smells new as well. Smells like a new house. Just that it's not a house, it's a car. So let's take out that bar. My god, worn out, man. Gotta change. But look at that, the difference. Damn. Spray time. It almost finished already, the pen. Tim is spraying my dashboard bar. Look at this guy, yo. Enjoying spraying. Look at that. Oh, like brand new. Hey, but your spray side damn nice, eh? My side like macam not shiny like that. And I am painting over the rust area like that. So yeah, let's do that. See, your hand is like black already.
I don't care. Let's get it done. I'm sure. I cannot, man. The brush is too big.
That's precision.
I know how. I know what. Okay. Give me the can.
What?
Give me the can.
Gonna spray it?
Yep.
Nah.
Reach already, man. Oh yeah. Improvise. Oh shit, my hand.
When a lot of effort is quite difficult, you decided to go easy.
This is not really easy, although.
Life hacks.
Somewhat can lah.
You too OCD already, Tim.
No, not. You know already, the material already there. No. It's wasted already. Wasted effort. Depends.
Yo, look at that, Tim!
Oh.
today we have done the steering bar, sprayed the steering bar. Tim helped me out. Look at that.
Too low, battery.
It's okay. Look at how shiny that is, and we kind of like sprayed bottom but can't really see. So that's how the interior actually looks like right now. Plus the steering bar. Damn, looks good. Full black. So the next plan is install the dashboard, and then yeah, finish up the wiring on the inside. And progress is not that fast. It's a chill day today to do it. So yeah, so that's how it looks like. Looks brand new, dude. So that's the update on 86. You guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, and Tim. Peace out.